I rise in support of Senate Bills 611 and 612. I want to start by thanking the chairwoman for her bipartisan work with me on this important issue to protect women and other victims of domestic violence and stalking in our state. Michigan is an outlier, and not in a good way. At least 43 other states' personal protection orders, or PPOs, are automatically and promptly served by law enforcement at no charge to the victims. But not in Michigan. In fact, federal law requires that PPOs be served at no charge to the victims. But for the past 30 years, Michigan has gotten around this provision by telling victims that the order can be served by a friend or family member. Sending somebody's mom or dad or brother or sister or a friend to serve the abuser with a PPO is not a good, safe alternative. Every single minute, on average, 20 people are abused by an intimate partner in the United States. We must do better to protect these individuals. $1 million has already been approved in the current budget to support this effort. And we've addressed the vast majority of stakeholder concerns and will continue to work with stakeholders on this as this legislation moves forward. But as I stated previously on this floor, while it's worthwhile discussion to have about statutory maximum fees for process service, this is well beyond the scope of these bills. I urge you to step up today and to protect the men and women in our state who are in much danger for their personal safety that a court has granted them a personal protection order. Do not make them jump through hoops, and do not make them have a family member confront a violent aggressor in order for this order to be served. I urge my colleagues to support these bills and request that my remarks be printed in the Journal. Thank you.